Hi, this is Sandy from ProTrader, and in this video I'm going to show you some of the scanning functions of the ProTrader web platform. Firstly, all the scan functions are found in the magnifying glass icon. Click that and you'll see a number of options. In the Scan for Patterns and Events menu, you are able to scan for various patterns that occur over and over on charts. Patterns like triangles, flags, pennants, key reversal, and resistance and support lines. Edwards and McGee wrote the Bible on technical analysis called Technical Analysis of Stock Trends in 1948, and it's up to its 9th edition. They go into detail on how to trade these patterns, and we can help you find them. You are also able to scan for various activity. For example, I might want to scan for the top 20 stocks by volume, by price increase, by percentage price increase, or by market capitalization. I can also scan for all stocks that closed on their high or on their low. You can also scan for a number of candlestick patterns, including dojis, harami crosses, shooting stars, hammers, hanging mans, and more. These patterns have been in use for hundreds of years. In the Indicators and Events scanning section, you can customize your scan and you're able to scan for simple, weighted or exponential moving averages above, below or crossing another moving average. You can scan for the rate of change, relative strength index or stochastic oscillator being overbought or oversold, and you can scan for a break of a Bollinger Band. The Davis scanner is one of our highlights as it easily represents an entire trading plan in one scan. Nicholas Davis wrote about his methods in a book titled How I Made $2 Million in the Stock Market, which was published in 1960, and we have programmed those methods very successfully. You are also able to scan fundamental data to find earnings yield, PE ratios, or dividend yields, more or less than whatever percentage you choose. Personally, I scan for dividend yields of more than 5% and then set my price range filter. You can also scan for stocks by market capitalization or stocks that have a certain amount of shares on issue. With all of the scanning functions, you're able to use filters to get more relevant results for your trading style. You can filter by price range. For example, maybe you only want to look at stocks over $5 for your super fund, or maybe you want to look at spec stocks under 50 cents. You can ignore results that have traded less than a certain amount in the last week so that you know there's some liquidity, and you can also ignore results that have less than a certain amount of data if you aren't interested in looking at new floats. You can also run all of the scans on daily or weekly data. If you have any further questions, get in contact with us via email, support@protrader.com.au, and if you aren't already using it, request a free trial at www.protrader.com.au and check it out. Thanks for listening.